Joella, Joella Ntlimatonga. Hi guys, my name is Betty and welcome to Garden with Betty K. Guys, it's spring. The spring is springing. The birds are out, the bees are out, the flies are out, the sun is out, the flowers are booming. Go busy, go monate, wa understand? Understand? So today I want to do a garden tour. I want to show you what has been happening in this garden because we have food, guys. We have food for days and it's so nice and quiet. You can hear the bird chirping. So we are here in the side of the garden. Then this side we have maize growing here, as you can see. Can you see? We have a lot of maize growing all the way to the side. These are beans, and then this is a leftover uh, maize that was left in the garden. So this is, I'm just gonna leave it and see how it grows. Then I still have that piece over there. I want to plant some beans there as well. And then we have spinach. We have spinach here. We have a lot of spinach this season, so we are going to eat a lot of greens. We have spinach in here and in there as well. And yeah, we have a lot of food, guys. A lot of food, as you can see. Here we have pumpkin. I had some pumpkin left over that was like I left it here, and then it was like decomposing, and then now last season, now the leaves are coming back. The thing is, the seedlings, we have a lot of seedlings. You see, we still have like the seeds as well. So hey, we're going to have a lot of pumpkin. It's a white pumpkin, so it's very nice. We have just grapes are coming back. You see, the grapes are coming back. They have like strings and they are already holding on into one another, and I don't want that. I want them to go up there. I'll come back and fix them, but everything is coming back to life. This is a apple tree. I just need to change this container into something big. And then we have a little bit of spinach here, and then here we have tomato seedlings. As you can see, we have a lot of seedlings this season. And then we have onion seedlings as well. So this season we have a lot of food, guys. We have like this year I went all out. I went all out for you guys. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button, and share the videos. Maybe somebody out there, they're struggling to grow a mini garden or something, ne? Let's continue. So our peach tree is full of leaves and full of food, so it's like abundance on top of abundance on top of abundance of food. So I'm trying to find, oh, there, you see, we have a lot of peaches, a lot of peaches. You see, this tree is full of food. And then we have our favorite plant, our Cape gooseberries. They look like nice and yellow and very juicy. So the tree is full of food as well. So we are expecting and sweet. It's very sticky. Like, it's very sticky. The sweetness is very sticky. So we have a lot of food. We are going to eat. I told you guys this year we are eating. This year we are eating. All of us we are eating. And then down here we have sage seedlings, and then we have beans. They're growing nicely. And then here we have, I think this is garlic, and I just smell the leaves, but they have like this hojos on top of them, but I think this is garlic. I just have to come back and do the final proof to see if this is really garlic, but it looks like garlic. It looks like garlic. It just it is garlic. Just I don't want to touch this hokos today. And then here we have pomegranate tree, pomegranate. This year is giving us a lot of leaves, so we must hope and pray and binge the toes and everything else that's supposed to be pinched, so that we have a lot of pomegranate this year. So we have a lot of, like, you see, it's loaded with leaves. So I'm hoping that we are going to have a lot of food. And then we have beetroot. We have beetroot here. As you can see, look down here. I just need to pick some for for Sunday, but they are growing so nicely, nice and chunky. I'm just showing you things that I knew in the garden, new things that are growing. And then we have onions down there under the tree. This onions, they were onions from that other side where the maize is, so I transplanted them this side, because you cannot have onions and corn at the same patch, because they don't like each other. And then here we have another peach tree. So Leon is very loaded, like it has a lot of food. Like we have a lot of food this season, like a lot. This carrots, most the carrots. We've been eating these carrots every Sunday. So every Sunday you've been eating from that patch, like, for stews and stuff. And then this whole spinach here, it was the spinach that was that side where the corn is. So that side it was corn and onions. I took them out and then I transplanted the spinach this side, and then the other one is here. If you remember this, as I like it for strawberries, but I saw the strawberries last season, it didn't do any, that's not nice. So I just changed the scenario a little bit. So this one, we having spinach there. And then the other thing that is growing, we have our blueberries. The blueberries are coming back and they are here to stay. And then we have a lot of strawberries. The strawberries are coming back as well. The strawberries that is here, it was the strawberry that was there. So from there to here, you see. So things are changing. And then we have this tree. This is pears. These are pears. So, and they are like, this year these trees are showing me that you've been doing so well this past winter, because I've been fertilizing these trees for like this past winter, taking care of them. It was not easy because it was freezing, but we did it. Let's go at this back here. There's food as well. We have food at this side. So this is I think this is orange. Oh, what is this tree? It's orange. Yeah, it's orange, but it has thorns. So it's either is orange or it's not lemon. What is this tree? Wait. It smells like orange. But it has thorns. So we have to wait for it to give us some clue, because it's either it's naji or orange or lime. This one, I am not sure. You have to wait with me and see what is this tree all about. And then we have our mango tree, and it's coming back with a bang. Like this tree is coming back with a bang. Like there's so much food in this tree, it's not even funny. And every day there's like new leaves. You see, there's like new leaves every day. It's just showing off. But last day it gave me one, okay, two. The other one, the birds ate it. So this year is showing me, no, this year we are eating. We are eating. Plus I've been fertilizing these trees for dear life. Like I've been taking care of these fruits trees for this past winter, because now I want food, guys. And then we are here, this tree, the tamarillo. This is tamarillo tree, and as you can see, I'm trying to make it focus. See, this tree doesn't doesn't smell nice, but the fruits are so nice. And in case you want to see how it looks like when you are big, I'm going to make a lot of jam this season, a lot of jam. And then we are here. This is olives. These are olives. I'm hoping this year we have something. I'm just hoping, because as you can see, this year we are eating, guys. This year we are eating. And then we have lettuce down here and some onions down there. And then the other day I did some watermelon here. I'm hoping to see some little shoots very soon. And this is a grape tree. These are two grape trees. I'm hoping they come, but I think they're coming back, because you can see maybe by next week we'll be like having something nice here to show. But they are coming. We have food, guys. I told you this year I'm not playing. Told you this year I'm not playing with this garden. Then we have spinach here, and then we have spinach there. They're just showing off. The spinach is just a show off. This season, J, it's like the spinach is like, let me show you something. Let me show you something. And this is apple tree. This tree nearly a full 1 year with us, and it's showing us that it is here to do what it's supposed to do. I just need to give them water this evening, but it's a little bit messy, because I've been doing live streams this side, showing you guys this and that, but we are here, because I've been working. See, I've been working on my live streams. I've been like planting things with you guys. And then here we have new sacks of food. So this one I planted the potatoes in there, and then this ones I'm gonna plant some sweet potatoes. I don't want them in the soil, in the garden, like soil. I just need to add more soil into this to make them like have room to grow. But these are sweet potatoes. We're changing the strategy this year. We are switching things up. So this is a new system that we are trying this season. And I know it's going to work, because we've been doing this, guys. We've been doing this. Don't act like we didn't do this. We've been doing this, all right? Trying to show you things that are growing, new things that are growing, because we have a lot of the sun is so not nice. We have a lot of new flowers in the trees, new flowers, new boomers, new everything. So I hope are you enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your fellow people, man. Share in your family group, there by the group of Amadodana and stuff. People who love food, nice things. This one is just a show offer. This one has been showing off the past winter. Even now it's still showing us that she is here to stay, because we have a lot of new flowers. We have food. It's galore. This one is galore, and this one is giving us new flowers. I'm hoping this year it gives us the lot of food, because last winter, this one, I think I ate like 10 fruits from it. But this year is giving us a lot of what you call, a lot of leaves, a lot of growth. So I'm hoping we have flowers very soon from this one. And this one, this one you cannot live without. This is umhlonyane. This is lengana. This one, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. Even the baby trees are giving us food this season, because this is mango. This is mango tree. So I'm surprised to see this on top of it. I'm surprised. Like it's on a little. And then that one, it's oranges, the dwarf oranges. Those are dwarf oranges. And then we have new leaves from our fig tree. It's so nice and chunky. Every year it grows, this tree, every year. And in here we have new growth. You see. So most of my fruits trees, they are giving us something this season. Look at this pretty flower. These are oranges as well. These are dwarf oranges. And then this one is giving us leaves as well. It's giving us new leaves because I pruned it. If you remember, we did some prune cut, trim. One of those, whatever works. Yeah, so we did that, and then I've been watering them like crazy because hey, no water and stuff. And then we have this as well. These are oranges. So this one is not a dwarf, but it's inside a container, a grow bag. So the libula tenkele. So it's been giving us a lot of flowers as well. I just hope for this the winds, they don't take my flowers away like last season, and I was struggling to, to even have one orange, like one orange hair from the tree. So this time, let's hope that we are going to have something to show off. My neighbors, they have those morubele. What do you call morubele? Mulberries. They have mulberry tree, and the tree this time they chopped it. I didn't want it to fall this side because there were branches coming this way, but this is electric fence, so sometimes it was not like that nice, but ish, jo. So I hope there's you enjoyed this video. I know you wanted to see more, but yeah, the herbs, the herbs are there. They are not going anywhere. They are there. They are growing and stuff. I'll show you the other seedlings as they pop up, because we have new seedlings that I started last week. But immediately when they start popping up, make sure that the bell is working, and then you are subscribed and you did all the nice things in this channel. So because it's getting hot now, let me go. Ke re go tswa go nna monyana wa motswana go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahlenge. Ke re tuele. Bye guys. So hot. You